kilogram semi-final. Red side, Berdimuhammet Berdiyev from Turkmenistan. And on the blue side, Abdullokh Rakhmonov of Uzbekistan. This is Europe, Asia. This is the 10th World Junior Wushu Championships here in Tianjin, where Wushu dreams ignite. And recognizing our global partners, Lining and Taishan. This is organized by the International Wushu Federation together with the Chinese Wushu Association. The 10th World Junior Wushu Championships, and here we go. 45 kilograms, boys junior. Turkmenistan on red, Uzbekistan on blue. Third man on the ring from Vietnam, our platform referee. One good technique there, a good catch for the kick and throw. Down first, blue side, red side, sorry. The blue side southpaw, keep doing same techniques. Red side, down first, blue side get 1 point. Good exchange of kicks there. Blue side is southpaw. Red side orthodox. Good punch there from the blue side. Scores 1 point. He's doing same technique. Catch the leg and throw. Another 1 point for the blue side. Down first, red side. Blue side is using the same techniques and it works. The red side should do something. You should be able to know that the blue side is doing same techniques again and again. And it works. 1 point every time the blue side do that. So the red side should do something. End of the round one. Two judges scored red side, 3 judges scored blue side, and the winner of this round, blue side from Uzbekistan. It's a good technique, the application, how you catch the leg and how you maneuver the movement. Yeah, Wushu Sanda is something that needs to be learned. It's not only about power, it's not about only speed, it's about everything. It's about skills, it's about techniques. Building not only the body but also the mind. And most especially building the spirit. Teaching them how to persevere, teaching them how to be teachable, teach them how to respect. That's why bowing is very important. As you can see, every start of the round, they would bow to the coach, to the referee, to each other. It shows respect. Even though in times of a fight or a conflict, we should still respect one another. That's character. That's spirit. Here we go. Let's see if we will see the same actions here. Same thing. Catching the leg and throwing. 1 point for blue side every time he does that. Down first, red side. Well, this kid's a really good skill, see? It means that he mastered that technique already. He can do it again and again. Now it's the red side is hesitant to kick because he knows, see, every time he moves, Uzbekistan, the same technique. He can throw, he can punch, he can kick. That's Sanda. Now the red side becomes more cautious in it. The way he should do it is he should kick very fast and clip back his kick. That's why speed also matters in Sanda. Or speed really matters in Sanda. Last 20 seconds here. But the blue side is ahead in the scorecard. So red side should be catching up for the score. Blue side should be just keeping the distance and keeping safe. Avoid any more injuries and any scores that will be given by the red side, since he's already ahead of the scorecard. Another 1 point for the blue side. Red side down first. And the winner of the round is blue side. All the judges scored blue side. So winner of the round is Abdullokh Rakhmonov of Uzbekistan. And he will proceed in our finals tomorrow.